Hello, this is your host, Afri-Vita channel. I'm excited to share with you the 7-day alkaline green juice program. This program provides a blueprint for creating your own green juice routine, which can be done anytime. The program consists of 2 juices each day, one in the morning and one in the evening. Feel free to switch them up based on your preference. Let's begin. Day 1, Morning Cleansing Kick. Start your day with a refreshing blend of 1 cucumber, 2 sukuma, wiki leaves, or kale, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder. This juice is your cleansing kick, setting a positive alkaline tone for the day. In the evening, enjoy a gentle detox with 1 cup of spinach, half a pineapple, small bunch of parsley, 1 small piece of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Day 2, Morning Energy and Immunity. Boost your energy levels with a revitalizing juice of 1 cucumber, 2 kale leaves, small bunch of mint, 1 kiwi or green mango, and 1 teaspoon of baobab powder for an extra dose of vitamin C in the evening. Cleanse your liver with a soothing blend of 1 beetroot, small size, 1 celery stalk, half a lime, small bunch of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of chlorella powder. Day 3, Morning Alkaline Flush. Hydrate your body with an alkaline flush using 1 cucumber, 2 spinach leaves, half an avocado, half a lime, and 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder. Remember to blend it as the fiber from the avocado will help balance the pH. In the evening, reduce inflammation with a calming mix of 1 cup of sukuma wiki, half a passion fruit pulp, half a cucumber, and a small turmeric root. Add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder to boost its effectiveness. Day 4, Morning Mineral Rich. Begin your day with a mineral-rich juice of 1 cucumber, 2 kale leaves, 1 pear or apple, half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder. This juice is your daily dose of essential minerals. In the evening, cool your body down with a refreshing blend of 1 lettuce handful or spinach, small bunch of mint, half a cucumber, and 1 teaspoon of sea moss gel. If you don't have sea moss, simply omit it. Day 5, Morning Power Alkalizer. Get a head start on your day with a powerful alkalizing juice of 1 celery stalk, 2 sukuma wiki leaves, 1 cucumber, half a lime, and 1 teaspoon of chlorella powder. This juice is your morning power boost. In the evening, aid digestion with a tropical blend of 1 cup spinach, half a pineapple, small bunch of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of baobab powder. Day 6, Morning Metabolism Fire. Ignite your metabolism with a zesty blend of 1 cucumber, small bunch of coriander, half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon each of ginger powder and moringa powder. If you don't have fresh ginger, use the powdered form. In the evening, restore your body with a rejuvenating green juice of 1 kale leaf, 1 small pawpaw slice, half a lime, and 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder. Day 7, Deep Detox. Start your day with a purifying juice of 1 cucumber, 1 cup of spinach, half a green apple, half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of chlorella powder. This juice is your final detox for the program. And in the evening, calm your body down with an alkaline blend of 1 celery stalk, small bunch of mint, 1 cucumber, and 1 teaspoon of baobab powder. If desired, you can add half an avocado to the evening juice for extra creaminess. And there you have it, the 7-day alkaline green juice program. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and keep enjoying the benefits of these amazing juices. Thank you and see you next time.